So this early morning, heading on a trek. Where we're going, I don't know. But I'll figure it out as I go along. See, this nosy one. Nobody's even talking to her. She's just interjecting.
You know, you wronged me.
Look at this abuse.
You wronged me today.
I know, but you see.
That's how you pay for it. You pay for it the whole day.
Abuse. Abuse. You see what I've got to deal with?
Yes.
So pray for me on this journey. All I've got to deal with is abuse.
That's what you're gonna deal with.
She feels because her name is Tigress, she can act like a tiger towards me. But not at all.
I am what I am.
Yeah.
You wronged me and you're gonna pay for it the whole day.
Okay, all right.
The whole journey. Me, I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
I wish you luck.
You said that the whole journey to Morocco?
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, we're packed. We've got loads of room here.
Fully packed.
And we're off.
Yeah.
Get you.
In the videos, I just see like their hand is kind of disappearing and then it's as if they're always like.
Yes, so on the road with
the one and only, the queen.
Criminal.
The queen. How can a queen be criminal?
I don't know.
I'm the queen. The queen.
Yeah. So we just entered Senegal now.
How many kilometers to the border?
To which one?
Bissau.
Bissau. Maybe 100. Maybe yeah. Okay, now it's you see 220.
220 kilometers.
Oh, look at the time.
Oh, it's 2:20 p.m.
Yeah. So we're heading down now to Sao Domingos.
San Domingo.
Sao Domingos, Bissau.
That's the border town?
Yeah.
Okay, San Domingo. Sounds like somewhere in Spain, Mexico, Portugal. I don't know where.
Yeah. So
what's Cabo Road? Is it?
yeah, you'll see.
What's Cabo?
You will see.
But I don't even know what you're talking about that I should see. Cobalt.
The rain is coming soon. By the tide is in. Normally it's dry, like over there.
I know if you were alone, you would have driven there.
No.
I know you.
No, that one I'll be stuck.
Yeah, for months until the rainy season is over.
Until next year.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
I know you. Don't act like I don't know you.
A mango dance.
Yes.
I don't know what she's on about a mango dance. All I know, we're driving down and she's saying, no.
That's mine. Mansa, this is mine.
Yeah, so pick up your own stick.
That's my stick.
So how am I doing all the work and you want to read?
I'm carrying the bag.
What's wrong with you? I've got my bag. So if I've got my bag, you get your stick. Why are you picking that green one?
Look, it's right.
Squeeze it. It's not ripe.
It's right.
Look.
Looks like overripe.
Look, you could have gotten this one here.
Okay, let me get it. Don't hit it. It's mine.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
There's so many mangoes here.
Look at this. Ooh, this is mine. This is the first one I'm gonna eat.
Another yellow one.
Another one just fell. Let me go get it. Mama, don't smash my head.
Hey, that's my mango. Hey, yo.
Don't smash my head.
What? Yo, why? Fuck.
Oh my goodness, this is also nice. There's a mango party.
Oh, be careful. There's a beehive someplace here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a beehive.
Okay.
You hear the bees?
That's not the bees.
Yeah, one of them just stung me just now.
Oh, that must be sweet. How can you be stung by something that produces honey?
Yeah,
Man, you must be lucky. Here is my other mango. Look at it.
Before you pick up my mango, so many bees are here.
Hey, there's no bees, but there's this ant. Hey.
Fuck. Ah.
Sorry.
Ooh. They bite the red ants. They bite very hard.
Yeah, these ones. They're on the leaves. Can you
Yeah.
see them?
They don't play.
Can I see? Can I see if you have any? Oh, shoot. Sorry. Okay, let me see. Raise your head. No, they're not. These are the monsters.
They don't play. Oh, it's on the stick.
It's on the stick.
Yeah. See, somebody's coming up there.
Where? To the car?
They're there.
Huh?
Shit.
What? I think we've had enough to go. Oh! Let's go.
Wow. This tree is full of ants.
Let's go. Look at this one. Go. We'll go. How many mangoes do you want?
Yeah. No, but I need some for tomorrow. I'm not just. Yeah. I'm not done yet. So she told me to steal some mangoes.
No! Let me call the chief.
She told me to
Look
steal
at
some
that.
mango.
And look at my bag. Oh, goodness.
Isn't it crazy? Sometimes.
Nobody cares about mangoes here. See, they're all getting rotten. So,
Any across there?
supply for a week. How will you start eating? You have not eaten since morning.
Well, shit, I haven't either, just except for the bananas. But yeah,
You can't open the car.
free mangoes. Africa is nice.
Please open the...
But make sure there's no ants on those mangoes.
No, I didn't. You're the one who was attracting ants. That's why they were biting you.
Yeah, look, make sure there's no ants.
I'm looking for my favorite one to wash. I need to eat three.
Okay.
3 of them now. I think this one is a nice one for me.
So I'll see you all after I finish eating my mangoes. So after harvesting some mangoes, I know you people will say steal.
No, it's harvesting. They were dropping and getting rotten on trees, and nobody cares about mangoes.
After harvesting some mango, I'm eating mango. longest cobblestone road.
Yeah,
I'm driving now 7 kilometers. Still on it. Oh, the water came across the river. Across the road. Wow.
Oh, it's possible.
Wow. So you came and it lifted up all the
cobble road.
Wow. This is no
and now
joke.
we finished the world's longest. No, I think they trying to continue the whole road with Cabro. You see, the Cabro one is long lasting.
Yeah.
See, this one has potholes.
Plenty of potholes.
Bienvenue à Ziguinchor.
Ziguinchor.
Ziguinchor. I'm Kenyan.
I know, it's not no Chinese here.
Ziguinchor.
Ziguinchor. Okay, Ziguinchor.
You're reading English, I'm reading African.
No, I'm reading African too. This is how they pronounce it, Ziguinchor.
Because they're pronouncing it the English way or French way, but it's Ziguinchor.
Okay. And all these oyster shells on the other side here. Oyster. Oh, I love it. This is the bridge in Kitingo or Kutingo. Maybe I've got it correct. Maybe I've not got it. It's Kutingo. Before we get to Big Noma. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Big Noma. Bignona. Big Nona. Hey. Africa is nice. Oh, yes, here we are.
Africa so beautiful. Ziguinchor. Welcome to Ziguinchor. Isn't Africa beautiful?
Very. So come and enjoy your trip to Africa, where you will be free of the bird, to do as you want, where you want, within the limits of
Here
humanity.
is another bridge. Oh my goodness.
And here's the bridge. It's beautiful. If you can pause the video and you can use your finger or look around or whatever. When I'm on the middle, just pause the video and you see how beautiful the city is. We're entering Big Nona. Lovely city. Look at this bridge. Africa is really beautiful. Yeah, so another adventure. We're between, well, over on my left is Guinea-Bissau, over on my right is Senegal. So stuck here for the evening. The most expensive border. Well,
Mama picked something, sorry.
the most expensive border
The world.
in the world. Well, yeah, but I hope not. You have to open.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
No, wait, you have to. No, wait. Hey, you have to move the latch first.
But that's what I was trying to do. Okay.
No, the small latch.
Huh?
The small one first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this border to cross Senegal cost me 2,000 safer. Not even that. Yeah, about 2,000 safer for Senegal. Guinea-Bissau, 50,000 safer plus 13,000. 63,000 safer. Guinea-Bissau, 63,000 safer.
This is falling.
No, put it back there. Put it back there. You just have to shift the weight at the bottom. Yeah, see? Yeah, so so this one is 63,000 safer to get into Guinea-Bissau. And then when you get on the road, you're going to be hit with more and more tax. But Bissau is nice. Well, for me, not for her.
For me, this would be my first. I don't know if this changes, but since I'm already here, this is gonna be my first and last experience.
Bissau is nice.
Well,
I'm gonna be straight.
You're gonna
as
say
a man,
as
a man, the eye candy. But anyway, let me put my camera. We almost died. We did not have.
You say what?
We had no money, and we just found 1,000 safer.
Yeah, with 1,000 safer.
Mille franc. And with the mille franc, wait, we don't want to go too close to the border and film. And with the mille franc, yeah, we bought something to eat. Bread and something, I don't know what it is. But that's the end of today. See you all tomorrow morning on the Guinea-Bissau adventure.